here, let's go back.
Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to give you a further look into my bathroom renovations, and this beautiful pumpkin you're looking at, I just DIY using all Dollar Tree items. If you're interested, I'll have it linked in the description box. So what I have left to do is add these beautiful crystal knobs to my cabinets. So that's what I'll be doing here. I have to get the right size screws, and as you can see, they match the shower hooks. That's what I was going for. Earlier in the video, this is a lace pumpkin that I DIY using all Dollar Tree items except for the crystal knob that I picked up from Home Goods. I just did this DIY in another collaboration, and I like the way it turned out, so I decided to put it in my bathroom because my bathroom is black and white decor. And after adding the knobs to my cabinet, the only thing I have left to do is make a decision on the molding and trim for my mirrors. And you seen this clip in last week's video. I'm still trying to decide if I'm gonna go with the white or the oak trim for my mirrors. So you're gonna have to stay tuned to next week to see what I decide. So I'm just showing you, these are the oak wood trim pieces. I think I know which one I'm gonna get, but I'm not gonna reveal that in this video, so you have to come back next Thursday, October the 24th, to see the big reveal. So I would like to thank Heidi and all the other beautiful ladies who are participating in this collab with me. It is very fun, even though I had already started on my bathroom renovations when I joined this collab. It's still fun revealing bits and pieces of my progress every week. So if you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm focused on saving money.